Hello everyone. Question is inline editing updates the field when option A the field is saved or updated, option B when the record is saved or updated, option C when the return key is pressed, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B. Question is if a company opts to use custom fiscal year, they cannot use the standard forecasting option. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is which of the following are not standard objects? Option A, opportunities. Option B, solutions. Option C, jobs. Applicants. Option D, accounts. Option E, campaigns. Correct answer is option C. Question is which of the following are part of the Service Cloud offering? Option A, opportunities. Option B, knowledge. Option C, entitlements. Option D, campaigns. Option E, codes. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is local settings control how users view date formats, time formats and number formats. True or false? Correct answer is option A, true. Question is if the company local is set to US English, all users will have a default local of US English and this cannot be changed. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. Question is if your company's fiscal year follows the Georgian calendar, you must use custom fiscal years. True or false? Correct answer is option B, false. Question is in order to enable multi-currency features in Salesforce, you must option A, contact salesforce.com. Option B, check the Enable Multi-Currency checkbox in your Chatter profile. Option C, operate your business in at least 2 different countries. Option D, you cannot enable this feature once you have implemented Salesforce. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is which feature effectively allows you to lock the converted amount on closed opportunities? Option A, local. Option B, company profile. Option C, multi-currency. Option D, advanced currency management. Option E, none of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question is user interface settings are global settings and apply to all users of an organization. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is which of the following are true about list views? Option A, save list views for future use. Option B, specify which groups of users have access to the list view. Option C, print list views. Option D, follow records and view related chatter posts. Option E, export list view data to Excel. Option E, all of the above. Correct answer is option A, B and A, B, C and option D. Question is define defines collection of settings and permissions that determines what users can see in the user interface and what they can do. Option A, role. Option B, chatter feed. Option C, profile. Option D, company profile. Correct answer is option C. Question is which of the following is not a standard profile? Option A, system administrator. Option B, read only. Option C, marketing director. Option D, partner portal user. Option E, standard administrator. Correct answer is option C, D, and option E. Question is a user with a charter-free user profile has access to records in Salesforce such as accounts and contacts. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. Question is standard profile permissions cannot be edited. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, system administrators can modify tab settings for custom profiles default on, default off, and hidden. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, if a user leaves your company, the system administrator should do the following to prevent future access to the salesforce.org. Option A, delete their user record. Option B, deactivate their user record. Option C, delete any accounts or contacts owned by that user. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B. Question is, an active user record consumes a license. True or false? Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, a system administrator can opt to lock users out of the Salesforce org if they exceed a certain number of failed login attempts. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, where can a system administrator go if they are trying to determine why a user cannot log into Salesforce? Choose all that apply. Option A, the login history related list on the user's record. Option B, the user's profile. Option C, manage user's login history. Option D, call salesforce.com support. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is, what should a system administrator use to disable an application for a group of users? Option A, sharing rules. Option B, web tabs. Option C, page layouts. Option D, profiles. Option E, roles. Correct answer is option D. Question is, to prevent a user from logging into the Salesforce org outside normal business hours, the system administrator would do this in option A, the user record. Option B, the user's profile record. Option C, network settings. Option D, the role hierarchy. Option E, none of the above. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, if a user tries to log in outside the IP range specified in their profile, the result will be option A, they will be logged in as normal. Option B, they will have to reset their password. Option C, they will be prompted to activate their computer. Option D, they will be denied access. Option E, none of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question is, when a user logs in the first time to Salesforce, the following takes place. Choose all that apply. Option A, a cookie is placed in the browser. Option B, pop-ups are automatically disabled. Option C, their IP address is added to a trusted list. Option D, they are prompted to answer a security question. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is the system administrator needs to prevent telesales teams from logging into Salesforce outside of the office. How will he or she do this? Option A, there is not way to do this. Option B, set up security controls, network access, and specify the team's range of IP addresses. Option C, add the range of IP addresses to the team's profiles. Option D, contact salesforce.com as this feature must be enabled. Correct answer is option C. Question is permission sets can replace the need for profile. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is only one permission set can be assigned to a user. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. Question is used to set the default levels of access for users to records they do not own. Option A, organization-wide defaults. Option B, roles hierarchy. Option C, profiles. Option D, sharing rules. Option E, manual sharing. Correct answer is option E. Question is if a user has public read-only access to records that he or she does not own, the following are true. Option A, the user can view the record but not edit it. Option B, the user can view and delete the record but not edit it. Option C, the user can change the owner of the record. Option D, the user can search for the record. Option E, the user can report on the record. Correct answer is option A, D, and option E. Question is if there are any users in the organization that shouldn't have view access to account records, the OWD for accounts should be set to option A, public read only. Option B, public read write transfer. Option C, private. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option C. Question is in a private sharing model, the following can be used when role hierarchy alone isn't sufficient when providing record access to users. Choose all that apply. Option A, forecasting. Option B, sharing rules. Option C, manual sharing. Option D, teams, account, sales, and case. Option E, apex triggers. Correct answer is option B, C, and option D. Question is criteria-based sharing rules allow administrator to share records based on field values rather than record ownership. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is public groups can be used to simplify the creation of sharing rules for administrators. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is public groups can be any combination of other public groups, users, role and option A, profile, option B, roles and subordinates, option C, managers, option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B. Question is sales representatives at AW Computing needs assistance from product managers when selling certain products. Product managers do not have access to opportunities but need to gain access when assisting on a specific deal. How can the system administrator accomplish this? Option A. Notify the product manager using opportunity update reminders. Option B. Use similar opportunities to show opportunities related to the product manager. Option C. Enable account teams and allow users to add the product manager. Option D. Enable sales teams and allow users to add the product manager. Correct answer is option D. Question is, manual sharing allows administrators to grant one-off access to individual records. Users cannot grant this access even if they own the record. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. Question is, who can manually share records? Option A, the record owner. Option B, the record owner's manager. Option C, the record owner's manager's manager. Option D, the system administrator. Option D, all of the above. Option E, none of the above. Correct answer is option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, if field level security prevents a user from viewing the credit card field on the opportunity record, the user will also be prevented from seeing this field. Choose all that apply. Option A, in a related list. Option B, in search results. Option C, in reports. Option D, in list views. Option E, all of the above. Option F, none of the above. Correct answer is option E. Question is, the following can be done by a system admin to a standard field. Option A, change the field label. Option B, add help text. Option C, add edit values of a pick list. Option D, delete the field. Option E, all of the above. Option F, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, B and option C. Question is, use a pick list to filter the values of one pick list based on the value of another pick list. Option A, controlling. Option B, multi-select. Option C, dependent. Option D, independent. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a checkbox can be the controlling field to a dependent pick list. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, AW computing needs to track the manufacturer and model for specific computers and laptops. How can the system administrator ensure that manufacturers selected influence the values available for model? Option A, create a multi-select pick list field that includes both manufacturers and models. Option B, create a lookup field from the manufacturer object to the model object. Option C, create a manufacturer field as a controlling pick list and the model as a dependent pick list. Option D, create a manufacturer field as the dependent pick list and the model as the controlling pick list. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, lookup fields allow users to select a record from another object during data entry, creating a parent-child relationship. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, which of the following are true about formula fields? Option A, they are read-only. Option B, they will not display on record edit pages. Option C, they will not display on record detail pages. Option D, they are not searchable. Option E, they will not display on reports. Correct answer is option A, B, and option D. Question is across object formula reference fields from parent objects. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is page layouts are assigned to option A, users, option B, profiles, option C, roles, option D, roles and subordinates. Correct answer is option B. Question is use dash to filter or segment quick list values based on the user's profile. Option A, record types. Option B, user profiles. Option C, role hierarchy. Option D, business processes. Option E, field level security. Correct answer is option A. Question is which of the following objects support business processes? Option A, cases. Option B, opportunities. Option C, campaigns. Option D, knowledge. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is when creating a sales process, the system administrator will be modifying or filtering the values of the field. Option A, amount. Option B, stage. Option C, next steps. Option D, status. Option E, close date. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is the system administrator has been asked to create a way to track shipments of products to customers. Shipments should be closely tied to the opportunity record and there may be more than one shipment record per opportunity and the opportunity should be required, that is, users cannot save a shipment record without associating it to an opportunity. The system administrator should create option A, a cross-object formula displaying opportunity ID on the shipment record. Option B, a master detail relationship on the shipment object to the opportunity object. Option C, a lookup relationship on the opportunity object to the shipment object. Option D, a lookup relationship with a lookup filter from opportunity to shipment. Correct answer is option B. Question is in order to create a many-to-many relationship between two objects, a junction object must be created. The junction object will have a master detail relationship to both objects. True or false? Correct answer is option A, true. Question is to enable field history tracking for an object, the system administrator must also add the related list to the page layout. True or false? Correct answer is option A, true. Question is in order to update records using the data loader, what field must be present in the CSV file? Option A, owner. Option B, Salesforce ID. Option C, record owner. Option D, object name. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is you will need a security token to access Salesforce via choose all that apply. Option A, import wizard. Option B, data loader. Option C, Salesforce for Outlook. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is the data loader can deduplicate records during import. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. Question is, in order to import opportunity records into Salesforce, a system administrator may use the import wizard. True or false? Correct answer is option B, false. Question is, what should a system administrator consider before importing a set of records into Salesforce? Option A, the import file should include a record owner for each record. Option B, validation rules are not triggered when importing data using the import wizard. Option C, data should be deduplicated in the import file prior to import. Option D, currency field values will default to the personal currency of the record owner. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is, which of the following can be used to create a backup of data from Salesforce? Option A, weekly data export. Option B, data loader. Option C, import wizard. Option D, reports. Option E, dashboards. Correct answer is option A, B and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, deleted records will be stored in the recycle bin for up to 15 days. True or false? Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, which reports type provides a simple list of data with no subtotals? Option A, matrix. Option B, summary. Option C, tabular. Option D, custom. Option E, standard. Correct answer is option C. Question is, use custom summary formulas to create calculated summaries on numerical fields in and reports. Option A, tabular and summary. Option B, custom and standard. Option C, summary and matrix. Option D, matrix and tabular. Correct answer is option C. Question is, which statement about custom summary formulas is true? Option A, reports can be grouped by a custom summary formula result. Option B, custom summary formulas can reference a formula field within a report. Option C, custom summary formulas can reference another custom summary formula. Option D, custom summary formulas can be used in a report built from a custom report type. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is, the formula are true about scheduling and emailing reports. Option A, the running user determines whose data is visible on the report. Option B, the running user must have access to the folder in which the report is saved. Option C, all email recipients must have access to the same folder. Option D, the report is emailed within 30 minutes of the preferred start time. Option E, all of the above. Correct answer is option E. Question is, a dashboard is a visual representation of data from multiple reports, and option A is comprised of up to 20 components. Option B displays data from standard reports. Option C has a running user to determine what data is visible. Option D displays data as of the last time the dashboard was refreshed. Option E always shows up-to-date data. Option F can be scheduled to be refreshed and emailed automatically. Correct answer is option A, C, D and option F. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, users can post a static image of a component to the dashboard feed, a user feed or a group feed. This feature is called option A dashboard component snapshot, option B the running user, option C chatter groups, option D dashboard component, option E dynamic dashboards. Correct answer is option A. Question is, dynamic dashboards allow data to be displayed by the user viewing it rather than by a specified running user, eliminating the need to create the same dashboard for multiple users. True or false? Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, a sales VP wishes to view dashboard data by region within his territory. What feature will allow this? Option A dynamic dashboards, option B dashboard filters, option C dashboard snapshots, option D this is not possible. Correct answer is option B. Question is, the system administrator has been asked to ensure an email goes out to sales ops when an opportunity is closed, notifying them of the closed deal. What evaluation criteria will the system admin use for the workflow rule? Option A, when a record is created. Option B, when a record is created or updated. Option C, when a record is created or updated and didn't previously meet the trigger criteria. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, the support team has asked the system administrator to automate the notification of a customer's support plan ending. They would like for the customer support representative to receive an email 30 days before the support plan expires. Support plan expiration date is on the account record. What will the system administrator do? Option A, create a workflow rule with a time-based trigger to fire 30 days before the support plan expiration date and use an email action to notify the assigned support representative. Option B, create a workflow rule with an immediate action to email the support representative but with a due date of 30 days before the support expiration date. Option C, create an Apex trigger to fire 30 days before support plan expiration date and use an email action to notify the assigned support representative. Option D, this cannot be done. Correct answer is option A. Question is, the system administrator was testing overflow rules and needs to delete pending time-based workflow actions. How can he or she can do this? Option A, delete the workflow rule. Option B, deactivate the workflow rule. Option C, delete the actions in the time-based workflow queue. Option D, reset passwords for all users of the org. Option E, none of the above. Correct answer is option C. Question is, what feature would a system administrator implement to allow AW Computing's prospects or customers to complete a form on the corporate website and have that data automatically become a lead in Salesforce? Option A, auto response rules. Option B, assignment rules. Option C, wave to lead. Option D, escalation rules. Correct answer is option C. Question is when a lead is converted, an account, contact, and task record are created. Option A lead, option B case, option C campaign, option D opportunity. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is queues can be made up of the following. Option A users, option B public groups, option C roles, option D profiles, option E external chatter users. Correct answer is option A, B and option C. Question is assignment rules allow leads and cases to be automatically assigned to users and queues based on criteria defined by the system administrator. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is the system administrator needs to ensure that all leads coming from the website are assigned a website lead queue, that all leads for a recent trade so are assigned to Matt Wilson and all other leads are assigned to Phil Smith. The system administrator will option A create 3 assignment rules. Option B create 1 assignment rule with multiple criteria entries. Option C create an assignment rule and 2 workflow rules. Option D use workflow rules to accomplish this. Correct answer is option B. Question is auto-response rules can be used to send an automated yet tailored response to customers based on the information they provide via the web to lead form. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is when chatter is enabled in an org, the following happens. Choose all that apply. Option A, the Chatter app is added to the Force.com app menu. Option B, the Chatter tab is added to all standard apps. Option C, accounts, contacts, cases, leads, and opportunities are enabled for Chatter. Option D, all users are added to all Chatter group. Option E, all of the above. Correct answer is option A, B, and option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is the Chatter free license gives users the ability to access people, profiles, groups and files as well as option A make posts, option B view comments, option C upload files, option D join groups, option E view records. Correct answer is option A, B, C and option D. Question is Chatter external license allow users outside the company to join public Chatter groups. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. Question is who can invite Chatter customers into a Chatter group? Option A, the system admin. Option B, group owner. Option C, all Chatter users. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is folders are used to organize the following. Option A, dashboards. Option B, reports. Option C, documents. Option D, email templates. Option E, all of the above. Option F, none of the above. Correct answer is option E. Question is the dash determines if a user can read, create, and edit contacts records. The dash determines if he or she can see or edit contact records owned by his subordinates. Option A, role profile. Option B, OWD, sharing rules. Option C, sharing rules, role hierarchy. Option D, profile, role. Correct answer is option D. Question is, the page layout allow users to see the next steps field on an opportunity record. Field level security dictates that the field is hidden. How will the field appear to the user? Option A, the field will be hidden from the user. Option B, the field will be read only. Option C, the field will be visible and editable to the user. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, record types specify the following elements. Option A, pick list values. Option B, page layouts. Option C, business processes. Option D, all of the above. Option E, none of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which objects supports business processes? Option A, opportunities. Option B, leads. Option C, campaigns. Option D, accounts. Option E, solutions. Option F, cases. Option G, contacts. Correct answer is option A, B, E, and option F. Question is, lead assignment rule assign leads to owners and queues based on the criteria the system admin specifies within the rule. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, which of the following are actions triggered by workflow rules? Option A, email. Option B, task. Option C, field update. Option D, record update. Option E, record creation. Option F, outbound message. Option G, time trigger. Correct answer is option A, B, C, and option F. Question is, will two different users get the same search results on searching for a common keyword? Options are yes or no. Correct answer is option B, no. Question is, if a lead is converted without a value in the company field, what happens? Option A, a business account is created. Option B, a person account is created. Option C, you will be prompted to decide whether to create a person or a business account. Option D, nothing. Correct answer is option B. Question is, an approval process begins when a record is option A, created. Option B, saved. Option C, edited. Option D, submitted for approval. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, custom links can be used for the following. Option A, launching an external URL. Option B, running an S control. Option C, running a report. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D. Question is, it is possible to share a custom object record manually. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, you can customize the opportunity stage history related list on an opportunity page layout. True or false? Correct answer is option B, false. Question is validation rules may evaluate an opportunity line item against the opportunity it's associated with. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is an S control may be all of the following except option A, HTML, option B, XML, option C, URL, option D, snippet. Correct answer is option B. Question is a custom lookup field can be added to create a relationship between a standard object and which of the following objects? Option A, users and custom objects. Option B, leads, accounts, contacts and custom objects. Option C, users, custom objects and campaigns. Option D, custom objects, contact and campaigns. Correct answer is option A. Question is assume the organization-wide default sharing is set to private for all objects and no sharing rules have been created. You have two users in the sales representative role. Can they view each other's data? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Correct answer is option B, no. Question is based solely on the role hierarchy, a manager can do all of the following except option A, view, edit, delete, and transfer his or her and his or her subordinates' records. Option B, extend sharing on both his or her and his or her subordinates' records. Option C, view all folders his or her subordinates has access to, that is, reports, documents, and email templates. Option D, view records his subordinate does not own but can view. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is when configuring customizable forecasting, you can set which of the following forecast dates for determining which opportunities contribute to the forecast. Option A, opportunity close date only. Option B, product date only. Option C, schedule date only. Option B, commit date. Option E, opportunity close date, product date, schedule date. Correct answer is option A. Question is all of the following may be used when updating a record using the App Exchange data loader except option A, external ID. Option B, parent external ID. Option C, record ID. Option D, record number. Correct answer is option D. Question is record type may determine the default value of a pick list field. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is custom formula fields do not support which of the following functional expression? Option A, adding multiple records together. Option B, if then else conditional statements. Option C, clickable image buttons. Option D, combine text strings together. Correct answer is option C. Question is a service portal user may close their cases using suggested solutions in the self-service portal. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is all the following are main setup areas in salesforce.com except option A, personal setup. Option B, app setup. Option C, data setup. Option D, administration setup. Correct answer is option C. Question is, what does a profile control? Option A, access to application. Option B, record type access. Option C, permissions. Option D, data visibility. Option E, hours of IP address. Correct answer is option A, B, C and option E. Question is, what determines a unique user record? Option A, username. Option B, standard profile. Option C, custom profile. Option D, user role. Correct answer is option A. Question is, it is possible for a user to own a record and not see it if they don't have the read permission to the object. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, which of the following does Salesforce CRM provide for restricting login access to the application? Choose three options. Option A, profile-based IP restrictions. Option B, organization-wide IP restrictions. Option C, profile-based login hour restrictions. Option D, organization-wide login hour restrictions. Correct answer is option A, B and option C. Question is, workflow rules consist of the following components. Option A, workflow task. Option B, workflow outbound message. Option C, workflow field updates. Option D, workflow actions. Option E, workflow email alerts. Correct answer is option A, B, C and option E. Question is, in Spring 11 Salesforce.com release, dynamic dashboards have been launched for which edition? Option A, Developer Edition. Option B, Professional Edition. Option C, Enterprise Edition. Option D, Unlimited Edition. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, where do you go to create a list view so that you can see it on the console under the accounts object? Option A, create a list view on the console. Option B, create a list view on accounts. Option C, create a list view on contacts. Option D, create a field on the console. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following statements are true about data validation? Option A, validation rules apply to all new updated records for an object. Option B, validation rules can update fields which are not included in a page layout. Option C, validation rules can reference fields which are not included in a page layout. Option D, if an error message is not set, a default message will be prompted instead. Option E, all of the above. Option F, none of the above. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is, Salesforce.com archives older activities according to which of the following conditions? Option A, closed events 180 days old. Option B, events with a due date greater than 365 days old. Option C, open task with a due date greater than 365 days old. Option D, closed task with a due date greater than 365 days old. Option E, closed tasks without a due date that were created more than 365 days ago. Correct answer is option B, D and option E. Question is pick val within bracket pick list underscore field bracket closed has the same output as, please see the options. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, system administrators have this permission by default. Option A, none of these. Option B, report wizard. Option C, report builder. Option D, both report wizard and report builder. Correct answer is option C. Question is, the Salesforce console is an example of what? Option A, API. Option B, third-party web integration application. Option C, UI. Option D, JavaScript. Correct answer is option C. Question is, what are two sources from which cases can be created? Option A, web to lead. Option B, web to web. Option C, email to case. Option D, connect for Outlook. Correct answer is option C and option D. Question is, which report format summarizes data in agreed against horizontal and vertical criteria and provides totals for both rows and columns? Option A, summary. Option B, matrix. Option C, tabular. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following is part of the Sales Cloud 2? Option A, accounts and contacts. Option B, cases. Option C, marketing and leads. Option D, solutions. Option E, content library. Option F, opportunities and codes. Correct answer is option A, C, E and option F. Question is, which of the following are standard Salesforce applications? Option A, ideas. Option B, campaigns. Option C, administration. Option D, call center. Option E, sales center. Correct answer is option A and option D. Question is, time-dependent workflow will not work with which type of workflow evaluation criteria? Option A, only when a record is created. Option B, every time a record is created or edited. Option C, every kind of workflow evaluation criteria. Option D, when a record is edited and it didn't previously meet the rule criteria. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, up to 25 custom lookup fields can be defined per object. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, mail merge is available in which Salesforce editions? Option A, all except professional. Option B, professional and enterprise. Option C, professional, developer and enterprise. Option D, enterprise and developer only. Option E, developer, enterprise and unlimited only. Option F, all editions. Correct answer is option F. Question is, what is the maximum of time triggers per workflow rule? Option A, 5. Option B, 10. Option C, 15. Option D, 20. Correct answer is option B. Question is, Salesforce is which of the following? Option A, Salesforce automation. Option B, marketing management. Option C, customer support management. Option D, campaign management. Correct answer is option A, B and option C. Question is, the formula editor may be used all of the following places except option A is control. Option B, formula field. Option C, default values on standard fields. Correct answer is option C. Question is, if you are added to a sales team with read and write access, you then have the ability to extend sharing on the opportunity to other users. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. You can download the complete list of recently added updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, a record owner has the following privileges. Option A, view and edit capabilities. Option B, transfer capabilities. Option C, deletion capabilities. Option D, import leads capabilities. Option E, import opportunity capabilities. Correct answer is option A, B and option C. Question is, you can use sharing rules to grant wider access to data. You cannot restrict access below your OWD levels. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, which statement is true regarding dynamic dashboard? Option A, they show data from the perspective of the logged in user. Option B, they are automatically created when you create a custom object. Option C, they perform calculations that standard dashboards cannot. Option D, they display the source report as you hover over a dashboard component. Correct answer is option A. Question is, marketing and sales users at Universal Containers would like more visibility into lead and contact participations in this year's trade show. How would an administrator build this into the application? Choose two options. Option A, create cross-object formula fields to display campaign members' record details on a lead or a contact records. Option B, alert lead and contact owners with workflow when a prospective customer registers for the event. Option C, customize the campaign member related list on the lead or contact object. Option D, create cross-object formula fields to display lead or contact record details on a campaign member record. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is, how does an agent submit an article for publishing? Choose three options. Option A, promote an answer for consideration. Option B, reassign an article to the publishing queue. Option C, publish an article to the solution category. Option D, submit an article upon closing a case. Option E, publish at will with manage articles profile permission. Correct answer is option A, D and option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, which is a capability of Chatter? Choose three options. Option A, receive updates related to records followed by a user. Option B, share updates, files and links with leads and contacts. Option C, receive recommendations for users and records to follow. Option D, follow people within Salesforce organization. Option E, post updates, files, links to Chatter pages. Correct answer is option A, D and option E. Question is, how can an administrator customize campaign members? Choose two options. Option A, display lead or contact data directly on a campaign member record. Option B, create an approval process for new campaign members. Option C, customize the campaign history related list to include campaign member custom fields. Option D, display key campaign member data on an opportunity record. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is, which is a capability of a campaign? Choose two answers. Option A, add campaign members to other related campaigns using an Apex trigger. Option B, convert leads to contacts from the campaign record. Option C, update the campaign member status of a lead using the manage campaign members feature. Option D, track the number of business accounts related to a campaign. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is, what type of field can a lookup filter be applied to? Choose three options. Option A, hierarchical relationship fields. Option B, master detail relationship fields. Option C, relationship fields for records owned by queues. Option D, lookup fields to the account, contact, user, and custom objects. Option E, lookup fields to the activity object. Correct answer is option A, B, and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, the system administrator has created a new custom object and application. This individual now needs to populate the new object with 1000 records, which are formatted in a CSV file. The import wizard data management import custom objects is appropriate for this task. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, you must create the business process before creating record types for each of these objects except option A, lead, option B, opportunity, option C, case, option D, campaign, option E, solutions. Correct answer is option D. Question is, the account owner, opportunity owners, and case owners. Option A has to be the same user. Option B has to be from the same profile. Option C has to be from the same role. Option D can be different users. Correct answer is option D. Question is, what is true about a role? Option A controls the level of visibility that users have to an org.data. Option B, role is required while creating record types. Option C, a user must be associated to one role. Option D, a user may be associated to one role. Correct answer is option A and option D. Question is, what objects are cases related to? Option A, accounts. Option B, forecast. Option C, contacts. Option D, campaign. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is, why would you use early triggers? Option A, to escalate a case according to a time zone. Option B, to allow notification before a case actually escalates. Option C, to escalate any case within a period. Option D, to send an auto-response email to customers. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, the size limit for documents uploaded is option A, 1 megabyte, option B, 3 megabyte, option C, 5 megabyte, option D, 25 megabyte. Correct answer is option C. Question is, author and the owner have same access to the document. Options are true or false or neither true nor false. Correct answer is option B, false. Question is field level security cannot be used to make a field required. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is which of the following is true that can cause data loss when an existing custom field is changed? Choose all that apply. Option A, changing to or from type, date or time. Option B, changing to number from any other type. Option C, changing to number from percent. Option D, changing to one currency from any other currency type. Correct answer is option A, B, C and option D. Question is which of the statements are true for data validation? Option A, data validation can enforce data integrity as well as make a field required in the page layout. Option B, data validation can prevent duplication of records. Option C, data validation run on the client machine after the user clicks the Save button. Option D, data validation rules are not enforced when using API and import operations. Option E, validation rules can be activated or deactivated by the user. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is identify the statement that correctly defines data validation. Option A, data validation ensures the integrity of data before it's saved in SF. Option B, data validation ensures the integrity of data after it's saved in SF. Option C, data validation ensures the integrity of data when data is imported in SF. Option D, data validation ensures the integrity of data when data is exported in SF. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is can an administrator change the profile settings of the standard solution manager profile? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, depends on the setting of the administrator profile. Correct answer is option B, no. Question is queues cannot be created on which object in Salesforce.com? Option A, lead. Option B, case. Option C, account. Option D, custom object. Correct answer is option C. Question is which of the following is not a valid business process in Salesforce.com? Option A, sales processes. Option B, marketing process. Option C, lead processes. Option D, support processes. Option E, solution processes. Correct answer is option B. Question is what is the significance of primary master detail relationship in a junction object? Option A, look and feel is inherited from primary master object. Option B, record ownership is inherited from primary master object. Option C, no such significance. Option D, both A and B. Correct answer is option D. Question is how many custom summary formula fields are allowed on a single report? Option A, 5. Option B, 10. Option C, 15. Option D, 20. Option E, no limit. Correct answer is option A. Question is all dashboard viewers see data based on the security settings of the running user regardless of their own personal security settings. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is how many custom fields can be created on an object in an unlimited edition? Option A, 100. Option B, 200. Option C, 500. Option D, unlimited fields. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is conditional highlighting cannot be used for option A tabular reports, option B summary reports, option C matrix reports, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option A. Question is you can use conditional highlighting for summary and matrix reports only. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A true. Question is which of the following is an automated process your organization can use to approve records in Salesforce.com? Option A validation process. Option B approval process. Option C workflow rules. Option D record types. Correct answer is option B. Question is escalation rules only run during the business hours with which they are associated. Option A true, option B false. Correct answer is option A true. Question is customizable forecasting is a prerequisite in order to enable territory management. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A true. Question is formatting of report is maintained when it is exported via printable view. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A true. Question is which one is the following is a Salesforce.com definition for a lead? Option A any person, organization or company that may be interested in your products and services, not yet customers. Option B an organization, individual or company involved with your business such as customers, competitors and partners. Option C any potential revenue generating event that is sales deals. Option D any individual or influencer associated with an account. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is which of the following are setting options for the user interface? Option A enable collapsible sections. Option B show quick create. Option C show customer sidebar components on all pages. Option D transfer all open opportunities. Option E enable drag and drop scheduling on list views. Correct answer is option A, B, C and option E. Question is which are activity attachment enhancements in Spring 11? Option A for new organizations, the attachments related list is now automatically added to task and event records. Option B for existing organizations, the attachments related list is now automatically added to task and event records. Option C attachments are now searchable for tasks and events. Option D unlike before HTML attachments is always available and can no longer be disallowed. Option E existing organizations need to manually add the related list to the activity page layout. Correct answer is option A, C and option E. Question is you can only use standard fields when generating email and mail merge documents for leads or contacts. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A true. Question is which of the following chart types does not support combination chart? Option A line. Option B horizontal bar. Option C vertical bar. Option D funnel chart. Option E donut. Option F line cumulative. Correct answer is option D and option E. Question is record type pick list filtering applies to dependent pick lists. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is which objects can be stored in a folder? Option A, emails. Option B, documents. Option C, dashboards. Option D, reports. Correct answer is option B, C and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is which of the following needs to be specified in order to schedule a report? Option A, the running user. Option B, start date. Option C, email report. Option D, preferred start time. Correct answer is option A, B, C and option D. Question is what is the maximum of actions per time trigger you can have in a workflow rule? Option A, 50. Option B, 20. Option C, 40. Option D, 80. Option E, 33. Option F, 10. Correct answer is option C. Question is what statement is true regarding a custom field formula? Option A, not reference standard, custom or other objects. Option B can contain formulas up to 4000 characters. Option C, 4000 character is the limit on the compiled size of the formula. Option D, formula can reference themselves. Correct answer is option C. Question is a standard fiscal year can start on May 1st. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is what are different types of sharing rules? Choose all that apply. Option A, case sharing rules. Option B, lead sharing rules. Option C, solution sharing rules. Option D, campaign sharing rules. Option E, custom object sharing rules. Correct answer is option A, B, D and option E. Question is adding a user to the sales team group will give access to opportunity records that was previously a restricted account. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, will users have to use their security token when logging into Connect for Outlook if their IP range has already been added to a trusted IP range? Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. Question is which of the following statements are true about trusted ranges? Option A, they enable end users to activate additional IP addresses for accessing Salesforce. Option B, they are used to identify regular SF users. Option C, they include IP addresses that are used in conjunction with a browser cookie. Option D, they approve login requests from unknown browsers and IP addresses. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is which of the following statements is true about computer activation? Option A, it is required to activate additional IP addresses for accessing SF. Option B, it is required for all IP addresses and browsers. Option C, it is required to access SF online. Option D, it is required to identify regular SF users. Correct answer is option A. Question is how can you export accounts and contacts in a contact manager edition of Salesforce? Option A, since there is no weekly export in Contact Manager, you can instead install Salesforce for Outlook. Option B, you can create a report on those records and use the Export Details button. Option C, use Connect for Outlook because Salesforce for Outlook does not run without API. Option D, export those records using weekly data export from setup, administration setup, data management export. Option E, there is no export option in Contact Manager. Correct answer is option B. Question is, where does chatter feed display? Option A, on chatter profile. Option B, on record detail pages. Option C, on the home tab and chatter tab. Option D, on list views. Option E, on chatter groups. Option F, under related lists. Correct answer is option A, B, C and option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, mass mail contacts option doesn't appear under the tools section in the contacts tab. What could have caused this? Option A, the user role is insufficient to view this tool. Option B, email is unchecked for that profile in FLS. Option C, this is a bug must be escalated. Option D, mass mail is not enabled for the profile. Option E, mass mail is not checked in FLS. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is, even a user with View All Data VAD permission cannot view hidden folders as well as folders shared to no one. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. Question is, select the order in which the workflow actions fire in Salesforce. Option A, field updates, outbound messages, email alerts, tasks. Option B, field updates, tasks, email alerts, outbound messages. Option C, Apex before triggers, Apex after triggers, workflow rules. Option D, email alerts, outbound messages, field updates. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following is an example of one-to-many relationships between standard objects? Option A, opportunities to opportunity products. Option B, accounts to contacts. Option C, contacts to tickets. Option D, contacts to accounts. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, each workflow rule applies to a single object such as leads, accounts or opportunities. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, workflow rules can't be triggered by campaign static fields including individual campaign statistics and campaign hierarchy statistics. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, who can delete records? Answer is, the ability to delete individual records is controlled by administrators. The record owner uses in a role hierarchy above the record owner and any user that has been granted full access. Question is, where do chatter feeds display? Answer is on the Home tab where you can see your updates, status updates of people you follow and updates to records you follow and groups you are a member of. On Profiles where you can see updates made by the person whose profiles you are viewing. On Records where you can see updates to the record you are viewing. On the Chatter Groups where you can see updates to the group you are viewing. Question is, how does Cloud Scheduler work? When you use Cloud Scheduler to request a meeting, Salesforce.com creates a unique web page for your meeting that displays the proposed meeting times. When invitees visit the page, they select the times that work for them and send you a reply. Salesforce.com tracks all of the responses so you can pick the best time to meet when you confirm the meeting. Question is, you can use Cloud Scheduler to send meeting invites to contacts or leads or person accounts you don't have visibility to. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. Question is, how many editions are there in Salesforce.com? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, which of them is not a standard business object? Option A, accounts. Option B, contacts. Option C, ideas. Option D, leads. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a lookup field relationship, select the correct choice. Option A links two objects together. Option B links two formulas together. Option C links two page layouts together. Option D links two Salesforce.com instances together. Correct answer is option A. Question is, what is the limit on the compiled size of the formula field? Select the correct choice. Option A 1K, option B 2K, option C 3K, option D 4K. Correct answer is option D. Question is, the account access, contact access, and opportunity access options depend on your sharing model. True or false? Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, the document tab does not contain version control capabilities. True or false? Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, all of the following are true about validation rules except option A, all active validation rules are run each time at save. Option B, validation rules are not enforced on existing data. They only run during subsequent record creation or updates. Option C, you can enter records through data loader bypassing the validation rules. Option D, multiple error messages may be displayed at one time. Option E, validation rules can be activated or deactivated by admin. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, which of the following special pick list fields are not available for record types because they are used exclusively for sales processes, lead processes, support processes, and solution processes? Option A, opportunity stage. Option B, lead status. Option C, case status. Option D, solution status. Option E, case origin. Correct answer is option A, B, C, and option D. Question is, can I change the location of chatter feeds? How? Option A, yes, using page layouts. Option B, yes, but only for admin users. Option C, no, but it can be hidden or shown dependent on user preference. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option C. Question is, how long does a backup data export remain on Salesforce CRM before it is automatically deleted? Option A, 12 hours. Option B, 24 hours. Option C 48 hours. Correct answer is option B. Question is, if you give a user the weekly data export permission which is needed to export data, he or she has view access to all data that is exported and can see all custom objects and fields in the weekly export service regardless of their other profile settings. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, what other permissions does the Manage Analytics Snapshots permission require? Choose all that apply. Option A, schedule dashboards. Option B, run reports. Option C, manage all data. Option D, view setup and configuration. Correct answer is option A, B and option D. Question is, which of the following are options when transferring accounts? Choose all that apply. Option A, transfer open opportunities. Option B, transfer closed opportunities. Option C, transfer closed cases. Option D, transfer open cases. Option D, keep account teams. Option F, transfer custom objects. Correct answer is option A, B, C, D and option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, which of the following are true about the field type text area long? Option A, first maximum length of 32,000 chars. Second, any length from 0 to 32,000 chars is allowed. Third, line breaks do not count towards the maximum length of the field. Fourth, this data type is not available for activities or products on opportunities. Option B, first maximum length of 3200 chars. Second, any length from 256 to 32,000 chars is allowed. Third, line breaks do not count towards the max length of the field. Fourth, this data type is not available for activities or products on opportunities. Option C, first maximum length of 32,000 chars. Second, any length from 256 to 32,000 chars is allowed. Third, line breaks count towards the max length of the field. Fourth, this data type is available for activities or products on opportunities. Option D, first maximum length of 32,000 chars. Second, any length from 256 to 32,000 chars is allowed. Third, line breaks count towards the max length of the field. Fourth, this data type is not available for activities or products on opportunities. Correct answer is option D. Question is, regardless of what language is selected on the user record, all online help is displayed in the organization default language. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. Question is, you can map custom lead fields to standard fields on the account, contact and opportunity. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B, false. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, which of the following can be done on the activity settings page at your name setup, customize activities, activity settings? Option A, enable group tasks. Option B, mass transfer activities. Option C, enable email tracking. Option D, show event details on multi-user calendar view. Option E, enable email attachments. Option F, change the activities page layout. Correct answer is option A, C and option D. Question is, a manager wants to pend all tasks assigned to his team so that the due date will be pushed a few days forward. it should be send. Option A, he needs to have edit task permission. Option B, he can go your name, setup, customize, activities, tasks, manage task. Option C, go to task tab and find the mass reschedule link in the tools section. Option D, there is no such standard functionality yet in Salesforce. Correct answer is option D. Question is, once you define a custom fiscal year structure, your company cannot return to the standard fiscal year calendar. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, if you defined a custom fiscal year structure, your company cannot revert to the Georgian calendar for fiscal purposes. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. Question is, when creating a many-to-many relationship, you will need to use a option A, junction object, option B, lookup field, option C, sharing rules, option D, workflow field update. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a lookup field can look up to what? Option A, an object, option B, a field, option C, a record, option D, a report. Correct answer is option C. Question is, when are custom fields removed from the recycle bin? Option A, 45 days, option B, 30 days, option C, 60 days, option D, 90 days. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, when creating users, does the alias need to be unique? Options are yes or no. Correct answer is option B, no. Question is, when using territory management, can an opportunity be associated with multiple territories? Options are yes or no. Correct answer is option B, no. Question is, list the difference between the Jumpstart wizard and standard approval process wizard. Answer is, Jumpstart wizard only allows for a single approver. Question is, describe the components of the console tab. Answer is, frames, list view, detail view, mini view, sidebar, related objects, mini page layouts, console layout. Question is, Ursa Major Solar is using the content delivery feature of Salesforce content. What are two benefits of this feature? Option A, associate the content delivery with a Salesforce record. Option B, use password protection for content deliveries that contain proprietary information. Option C, customize the URL assigned to the content delivery. Option D, encrypt certain content delivery files. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is, a user responsible for managing and creating campaigns is unable to create a new campaign, although the user's profile has the create profile permission for campaigns. How should an administrator grant the correct access to the user? Option A, assign the user to the standard marketing user profile. Option B, create a campaign sharing rule, grant access to the user. Option C, grant the user delegated administration rights to the campaigns. Option D, select the marketing user checkbox on the user record. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, the administrator has created new users for 10 new employees at Universal Containers. Why are these users unable to access the account object in the Salesforce org? Option A. Organization-wide defaults are set to private. Option B. User's profile requires permission to the account object. Option C. User's roles are low on the role hierarchy. Option D. User's profile requires a sharing rule accounts. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a sales manager wants all sales users in the department to see a dashboard that displays total closed or won opportunities amount by users on a monthly basis. The opportunity sharing model is private. How can the administrator meet this requirement? Option A. Create the dashboard from the opportunities by user report, then save in the shared dashboard folder as a dynamic dashboard. Option B. Create the dashboard from the opportunities by user report, select the sales manager as run as user and save in the private dashboard folder. Option C. Ask the sales manager to create the dashboard from the opportunities by user report and save it to her private dashboard folder. Option D. Ask the sales manager to create the dashboard from the opportunities by user report, select view dashboard as and save the shared dashboard folder. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a sales executive at Universal Containers UC is utilizing collaborative forecasting to track sales representative quote attainment and wants to be alerted when an opportunity stage is moved backward in the sales process. Which feature should an administrator use to fulfill this request? Option A. Field History Tracking Report. Option B. Big Deal Alert. Option C. Validation Rule. Option D. Workflow Rule. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, when a Salesforce user is deactivated, what happens to all of the records the user owns in Salesforce? Option A. They are automatically assigned to another user. Option B. They are assigned to the deactivated user until reassigned. Option C. They are automatically deleted. Option D. They are automatically assigned to the administrator. Correct answer is option D. Question is, Ursa Major Solar needs to fulfill the following requirements. First, a custom object must be created to capture account survey data. Second, users need to ability to select an account from the survey record and view related surveys on the account record. Which two actions can an administrator configure to meet these requirements? Option A. Create a lookup relationship field on the account object. Option B. Put the account related list on the survey page layout. Option C. Create a lookup relationship field on the survey object. Option D. Put the survey related list on the account page layout. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is, an administrator notices there are too many duplicate records, numerous sharing rules, and a large number of manually shared records. This situation may be symptom of option A. Role hierarchy that has too few roles. Option B. A sharing model that is too public. Option C. A sharing model that is too private. Option D. Object permissions on profiles that are too restrictive. Correct answer is option C. Question is, which of the following will not bypass identity confirmation? Option A. The user's profile has IP login restrictions enabled. Option B. The user has logged into Salesforce previously from their current IP address. Option C. The user has activated this computer before and has a stored activation cookie. Option D. The user's record has the bypass user identity confirmation checkbox enabled. Option E. The user is logging in from an IP address within the list of trusted networks. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.